assuming it's because you decided to do the multiple choice version of factoring trinomials. So, if that is the case, let me show you how this works real quickly. So, you have a set of multiple choice questions. I'm going to go through and, I'm not doing a great job. I'm randomly just going to click a few things and I'm going to submit just so you can get an idea how it works. So, I'm going to scroll down, click submit. And then it gives you the option to view your score. I obviously didn't do very well because I left most of it blank. Actually, I got a couple right. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. So I won't scroll all the way down, so I'm not giving away the answers. But so for each of the questions, it does this, where it tells you whether or not you got it wrong, but it doesn't tell you whether or not but it doesn't tell you what the right answer is. So the goal is for you to go through, see which ones you missed, either look at your work and see if you can figure out your mistake or seek out help from your teacher or a peer. And then when you go back to the link to try to click on it again, instead of view score, you're going to hit edit your response and it will let you go through and it will let you do the answers, let you go back and redo it. So the goal is that you're trying to get them correct, by doing multiple tries if you need to.